Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can insert page border in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. Once you open, you simply need to go onto the design and click on page border. And here it is page border. You can select you want in box, in shadow, in 3D and custom. So I want like box for example. Here you can select the design. So let's suppose this one is look good. So it will look like this. You can change the color as well of the border and you can change the width as well from here. And this is the process, and here you see, so wherever you want to apply this section, this whole document, so it is up to you. Once you done that, you simply need to click on OK. So this is the easy process to insert page border in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.